Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. This video I wanted to do an Amazon haul, share with you guys some of the stuff I recently picked up. I have some fashion finds, health and wellness finds, home finds. You know I'm lying, I don't have any home finds. But I do also have some like gadgets and some stuff I purchased for my freelance kit. There are some serious gems in this haul that I can't wait to share with you. So without any more rambling, let's get into the video. Also, I'll have my Amazon shop linked down below so you can shop all of like my previous Amazon finds. I've purchased so much home furniture, beauty stuff, all of my studio and film equipment, all of that is in my Amazon shop. Accessories too, jewelry, sunglasses, you name it. It's all there, so you can shop all of my previous recommendations in the shop. I'll have that link down below. Without any more rambling, let's get into the video. First things first, you guys know it's not an Amazon favorites video if I don't share a pair of glasses. I feel like I purchased all of my sunglasses from Amazon. I don't know why I used to spend money on more expensive sunglasses when Amazon seriously has the cutest. I got these sunglasses. They came in a pack of 3 and they are just so cute. I'm so obsessed with the black and the neutral pair especially. And they kind of look like the Prada sunglasses, but they were only like 15 bucks for all 3 of them. They're just so cute. And like these types of sunglasses are most flattering for me because they're not too small to where like it enhances my big head, but they're also not too big to where it also enhances my big head. It's like right in the middle. This is how the neutral pair looks like on. And I've been wanting a pair of sunglasses that had like that nude outer rim. They look really nice from the side too. Like, so cute, so stylish. They amp up any outfit. Accessories go such a long way, especially with super basic outfits, and Amazon comes through for that. You guys need these in your life. Speaking of accessories, my favorite earrings at the moment are from Amazon, and they're the ones that I have on right now. I don't think I've ever purchased earrings this good of quality on Amazon before. I'm blown away by this find. They are the most stunning little twisted hoops. They're 18 karat gold plated. I've worn these in the shower though, and they have not tarnished. And I've done it a few times, like by accident, and they are still, as you can see, super shiny and gold, and they just look so expensive. They're also like weighted. They're comfortable to wear on the ear, but like it feels like it is legit gold. I don't feel like cheap jewelry. And they were only like 11 bucks. I love these because they go with every outfit. They kind of like give that pop, but the hoop is still small enough to where it doesn't take over an outfit. It still looks like elegant but stylish at the same time. These are a must. Honestly, anything you get from this haul, get these hoops. They're incredible and they just look so expensive, and I can't believe they're only like 10 bucks. Next up, this is my favorite Amazon purchase ever because it literally changed my life. I could borderline cry about it, and it's the book Atomic Habits. This book is very popular right now, and I had it in my Amazon cart for a year. I don't know what took me so long to buy it. So if you've heard this book, if you've been wanting to read it but you have yet to try it, this is your sign to read it. It will completely change your life. It'll shift your mindset to just like look at things different in like a very logical, reasonable, attainable way. Basically, this book is about creating a bunch of good tiny habits daily that will lead you to the life and the goals that you want to achieve so that you are headed in the right direction instead of feeding into bad habits that are leaving you feeling stuck or in a rut. But the author really explains some really good points that really just help you shift your mindset to look at things different so that it is easier to make those habits happen more regularly and easier for you. Another thing that was super helpful with this book is that before reading that book, there were many days where I'd find myself, having those days where I was in a rut. You don't know why you're down, but you're just down and not really sure why. And after reading that book, it made it really insightful because I realized that typically those days when you are in a rut and you don't know why, it's your subconscious, all of those like bad habits, bad choices that you've been accumulating daily that just led you into this like continuum of like bad choices where now you feel stuck and in a rut. You can't pinpoint what it is exactly because it's a bunch of tiny poor habits and choices that have led you there, not like one big thing. So in your head, you're just like, you're down, you don't know why. But since reading this book, it really makes you keep track of your habits and really catch even like the tiniest bad habit quick so that you can either fix it or replace it with a good habit. I also like this book because it's It doesn't put you down for your bad habits. It just shows you how you can make your good habits outweigh your bad habits, to where eventually you have way more good habits and very minimal bad habits to no bad habits. And when you do have a bad habit that pops up, you're able to like nip it in the butt. So anyways, with that, I found that I no longer have those days where I don't know why I'm in a rut, because now I'm way more mindful of my choices that I'm doing daily. Okay, next up, I had to repurchase my hair clips because I don't know where they all went. These are the best and only hair clips I will ever use in my life. They come in a pack of 5. I think they're like $15, and they hold up all your hair with literally no slipping. Since it's matte, it like grips and it does not slide out of your hair. I gave this to one of my friends who has like almost like twice the amount of hair I have, maybe even 3 times the amount, and even she was hooked. That I was like, girl, it's yours. Like, it'll change your life. Get them from Amazon. And it held up our hair without it slipping. I just love it. I prefer to get the all black set, but they also have like an all nude set. They have a colorful set. On the topic of hair, I also got this IKT wax stick. And it's basically just a little wax stick that you push up like that and you use it to smooth out any flyaways. I'm sure I could probably use it right now. I wish I had a mirror, but like I could just put it here. I did just wash my hair, so I don't want to put too much product. And it just will tame any of those little frizzies. You just do it really lightly and it smooths out those hairs. I have the most stubborn flyaways. Whenever I do like a slick back updo, it's never completely slick back because I just have all those little baby hairs, flyaways everywhere. This thing is a game changer. And I want to say it was only like $6 or $7. And speaking of hair products, I recently picked up this Kenra Silkening hair mist. I heard really good things about it, and I had been wanting my hair to be like more shiny when I do a more blowout look. So you just like mist it in your hair like this. It's a super fine mist, and it leaves your hair so like shiny and silky and beautiful. I also just have an obsession with Kenra hair products. My sister-in-law is the one that put me on, and now there's no going back. Yeah, if you want really sleek, bouncy hair, check it out. And then I had to re-up on my Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. I love this, especially as a styling cream. Put in my hair while it's wet before I blow it out. It just helps hold the style a lot longer, helps tame and smooth out any frizz. It's also great to use if you're, you know, not heat styling your hair at all, but again, you just want to tame frizz. Basically just a leave-in styling treatment. Really great. Also, my mom, who has very curly hair, she uses this a lot in her hair when she wears it natural, and it keeps her hair super like fresh and bouncy. Next up, I got this raw organic perfect food super greens powder. You can mix in with like a 16-ounce glass of water, and it gives you all of the greens that you need for the day. I've been on like a health kick lately, and I want to make sure I'm getting all my greens and all my nutrients in regular. It also gives you like a slight burst of energy. It's also, I'm sure, great for your skin because it's green. But it's great because it's all organic, it's non-GMO, it's vegan, it's gluten-free. I've just been really trying to fuel my body with good stuff, making sure I'm like eating enough throughout the day, and that what I'm eating is actually like fueling and benefiting my body. But like even then, you can only get so much vegetables and fruits and all that in a day, so that just makes it easier to make sure that I'm like getting all my greens in. And yeah, next up, I got this really cute tennis skirt. I shared a white one in my previous Amazon haul video, and I liked it so much that I wanted to get one in black. This one is so cute, it's so comfortable, and it's just like the perfect piece to throw on if you're running out the door. You want to be extra comfy, but you still want to look cute. Like, you can't not look cute and put together in a freaking tennis skirt. You could dress it up with like kind of like what I have on now, or you could wear it with like an oversized sweater, or even like a sports bra and a blazer or something over top. Just a great piece to have, and it fits really nice. And this is how that workout skirt looks like on. It has built-in shorts underneath, which makes it perfect. Like I said, it just makes it so easy to throw on, but you feel comfortable if you have to do a lot of moving. Now I just have it paired with a sports bra from another Amazon matching workout set that I got a few years ago. All right, so see, I literally wore an outfit very similar to this to brunch. You can tuck in like a button down, wear it with those same sandals. And then these are those same Amazon glasses I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. And look how cute and comfy of an outfit this is. And it comes to a nice length too. Not too long, not too short. This would also be a really cute way of styling it with like an oversized chunky knit sweater. This one is also from Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. It's like a cable knit sweater. Love the V-neck, super cute. And then just with some sneakers. Again, just like the perfect basic for running errands and looking cute and put together, which is my motto in life. Comfy, cute, and put together. And speaking of workout stuff, I also got this cute workout set, which I never wear to the gym, but I do like to wear as like an outfit with a blazer over top. The pants look like this. They're really nice rib material, and the quality is so nice. super stretchy and comfortable, but it still kind of sucks you in. And then it comes with the matching sports bra, which comes down far enough to where you could like still wear this with high-waisted jeans or shorts, even if you don't want to wear it with the set. Again, the quality is so nice. It looks so cute. I definitely want to get this in more colors. And I love to get matching sets like this to wear with sneakers and like an oversized blazer over top, or like an oversized sweater over top. I like to wear them individually. Like I can wear this top with like high-waisted jeans and a flannel or cardigan. I could wear the bottoms with an oversized t-shirt. I just love to get matching sets because you can use them multiple ways. I will say though, I got them in a size small. I wish there was a way to mix and match the top and bottom. I think the bottoms are a little bit too small. Like my butt just wasn't fitting in this appropriately, but then I don't like when the bra is too big. So just something to keep in mind. This is what the Amazon matching set looks like on. Again, the quality is so nice. It's nice and thick. Bra does come with built-in pads, but I took them out and I don't ever really wear them because I always wear this with like an overshirt or something over top of it. But you could also just wear it like this if you're like confident and comfortable. And then this is what the back looks like. The only thing that bothered me previously is how the lining doesn't line up right. So I don't know if that's like a sizing issue or if it's just a short, but all in all, I do really love this set. But I love switching up the look of this set with like a different overshirt. I normally like to wear it with either like this flannel that I got from Nordstrom. I have this little zebra top from Shein, or my favorite H&M blazer. This is how it looks with the flannel, and it's just such a cute, easy running errands outfit with a pair of sneakers. This is my personal favorite way of styling it, with a blazer, because I feel like you have a mixture of sporty and business casual together. And I literally will wear this to run errands. I'm comfortable, but it looks like I'm doing the absolute most, even though I'm not at all, because the blazer is super oversized. And this is another way you can style it. I have it with that zebra overshirt from Shein, and then just paired with these. You either love them or you hate them, but they're like Chanel dupe fisherman sandals. I got these from Target. They're super comfy. They're just perfect running errand shoes. I always like to show you guys 3 or more ways of styling an outfit, because I feel like if you can't wear something 3 or more ways, it's not worth getting. And like I said, you can mix and match these pieces, so you can actually style it like a million different ways. Then I recently picked up this little iPhone stand for when I'm filming TikToks or I want to shoot like Instagram reel content. You can fold it up nice and compact like this, but then you lift it up and you just put your phone right in here, and then you just slide this up. You can put it like literally as tall as like 6 feet, maybe not 6 feet, but it can go pretty high. And then the legs obviously open it up for you to use it as like a stand. Like if I wanted to film like a nail tutorial, I could put my phone above like that, or I could put it like this. It's just very convenient, and I like how lightweight it is and easy it is to transport. I can throw it in my bag and create content like on the go, or take pictures of myself on the go. Not that I've ever done that, because I would be mortified to be seen in public taking my own Instagram picture. I need to get over it though, because I need to start creating better content. But yeah, it's just great. It's all around great. And it comes with a little remote that goes in here. I already lost the remote though, but I do have a separate remote, but you can use that remote to press record or take your pictures. Content creator, or just somebody that likes to take your own pictures and you don't want to have to harass your husband to take an outfit of the day picture. Oh, I also forgot to mention, for the super green stuff, I got the apple flavor, and it actually doesn't taste like anything delicious, but it doesn't taste like super grassy or green. The apple, I feel like, does a good job of kind of disguising any of the like very grassy taste that juices like that tend to have. And yeah, it's a really easy thing to drink. Then I also got a bunch of stuff for my freelance kit, because I don't know if you guys know, but I did makeup for a feature film, and I wanted to just get some new stuff that would like better hold my products and all that. So both of these are from the brand Reliable. I got this brush holder, which I love. It came with a strap, but I ended up using the strap for something else, because when I do makeup, I like to just plop this on the table. And then it zips. You just fold it down and you have all your brushes. It fits all these brushes. I like it because you can easily oh, I just inhaled my brush cleaner. I like it because you can easily see all your brushes. It's really, really easy to work out of. And then as I use them, I just put the brushes in a separate cup. But I also think that this is just perfect to have at home. Like I want to get one of these for my makeup room. That way I can take my brushes out as I need them, and then like put them away when I don't need them, and they're not taking up a bunch of counter space. Like this would make that really easy to do. So I definitely want to get a second one. It also has this, which I'm not sure what this is for. Then this makeup kit is the absolute best. I love it so much. It looks like this, and it's really similar to my previous one that I had, except for this one has straps for you to wear like a backpack. It makes it so much easier when you are traveling. When I'm traveling to clients, I'm bringing my light. I have my chair that I need to carry, an extra bag. There's just a lot that goes into being a freelance makeup artist. So the more hands you have, the better. And I like that this, I can just put on my back. It's a cushion too, so it doesn't hurt at all. Really easy to carry around. And then it also fits so much makeup in here. You get 2 pockets up here. You have your little side pockets where I put like my alcohol spray, my little sponges, and then like my brush cleaner. And then it opens up, probably messy inside because I had a client yesterday and I haven't had time to sanitize my kit yet. I normally do it like obviously before I go to another client. You can kind of get the gist of it. It opens up like this. All like my pencils, liners, brow pencils, all that here. And then all the makeup is in here. Again, I have to go through and re-clean and organize everything, but I also like it because again you can prop it on the table and it stays open like that because of these little clasps right here. Also, the quality of this one is really nice. I broke the zipper on my other ones like so many times. This one, it's super sturdy. So if you have not tried the Reliable brand makeup kits and you're a freelance makeup artist, or if you're just like a regular person and you want like a convenient way to store all your makeup and be able to pack it up and put it away, these kits are where they're at. Also guys, speaking of my kit, I also got a new chair. If you're a freelance makeup artist, you need this chair because it is so lightweight. I'm gonna insert a picture of it on the screen. This is what the chair looks like. You need this chair because it's so lightweight. So if you tend to travel a lot and you're always having to lug around your chair and your equipment, you need like it's so easy to carry, and it's also extremely comfortable. Before I was using this, I was carrying around like this heavy wood director's chair and it would like hurt my shoulders, my back, and it honestly wasn't even that comfortable. This chair is perfect. I don't even think it's like marketed technically as a makeup chair. It's marketed as like an outdoor lounge chair. So it's also great for that because it has like a little side table that folds out where you can put a cup, whatever you're drinking, whatever you're eating, and it's like having a little end table attached to your chair. It's perfect. And then also I want to talk about my favorite lashes ever. Gotten it already like 3 times by this brand on Amazon. They are the most stunning half lashes ever. This is what they look like. Do you see how like fluttery they are? So they give it a really nice flare, but they're not overpowering on the eye. They're still like, you can't really tell you have false lashes on. It kind of looks like lash extensions. They're just stunning, and they instantly like lift up your eye and open it again without taking over. Like the lashes I have on today, they're nice, but they're so bold. These will just give you that subtle pop without taking over your entire eye, and you still look like yourself, but just like a little more enhanced. I find that whenever I wear these, I don't need to wear as much foundation. Like I can literally throw these lashes on, some concealer, and I feel like just the right amount of done and ready for the day without having to do anything else. All right, you guys, and that wraps it up for my little Amazon haul. Hope that you guys enjoyed. Also, I'm planning on sharing like a huge, just like random haul because I've just purchased so much stuff lately. Like honestly, some of the most random stuff like fragrances, clothing stuff, home stuff, combination of so many things that I want to share with you guys, but they're also random that I can't make separate videos for each of them. So let me know if you guys would just be interested in the most like random haul in the entire world. I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. I really would appreciate it. I pray you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, everything will be left linked down below as well as in my Amazon shop. Bye!